All right, welcome to another episode on Prime Logic. Let's go for the viral problem of the day. I found this problem online. If you want to solve this problem, please pause the video because I'm going to solve this problem right now. So, what is the shaded area? What is the area of the shaded region? We have a circle and then we have a square which is inscribed inside. The side length of this square is 5. Just before starting, you can turn on the subtitles for different languages and also the automatic dubbed version. So you can change the audio as well to different languages. So let's start. The shaded region here is obviously the area of the circle minus the area of this square, right? So what is the area of a circle? It is obviously pi r squared, right? What is the area of a square? It is side squared, okay? And it equals the area of shaded region, okay? So we have the side length of the square, but what we don't have now is the radius of the circle. So look at a shape here. The radius of the circle is, if you draw a line here, the diagonal of the square, it is the same thing as the diameter of the circle. So we can calculate the diagonal of the square because we have the side length, right? And then if we divide it by 2, then we have the radius of the circle. So the diagonal is the diameter of the circle, right? So let's calculate it. But for those of you who already know that, so the diagonal of any square is root 2 times the side. So diagonal, let's just denote it as D, is root 2 times side of the square. In this case, 5 square root of 2. But how? Let's calculate it. This is based on the Pythagorean theorem. So let's just name this diagonal or diameter as D. So based on Pythagoras, D equals D squared, that's the hypotenuse, right, of this right triangle, equals 5 squared plus 5 squared, or 25 plus 25, or 50. In other words, D equals square root of 50, or 25 times 2, which is 5 square root of 2. So that's the same thing as I told you before. But for those of you who want it step by step, that's how we reached 5 square root of 2. So this is the diameter, right? We need to divide it by 2 to make it the radius. So now we can just substitute into this formula. The area of the shaded region equals pi r squared. So divide by 2, then squared. 5 square root of 2 over 2 squared minus s squared, minus the area of the square. So area of the square is 5 squared, or 25. Okay, let's just do the calculation. So area equals, so pi, then we need to raise this thing inside of brackets to the power of 2. So 25 times 2 over 2 squared is 4 minus 25. Let's just simplify further, so we can simplify and cancel this 2. So that's 25 pi over 2 minus 25. Okay, that's the final answer, but I think we can just simplify that one step further. So the area equals, we can factor 25 maybe out. So 25 times pi squared minus 1. So you can just tell me in the comments below how much is that and the real value. So that's the final answer. So make sure to drop your thoughts and answers in the comments below, please. And if you solve this problem using a different approach, please make sure to share it with others as well. And please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for another video, another viral video on prime logic.